Hey Tom, welcome to the bike check.
Hey Josh. Hey guys, I'm T Ford E. Today we're going to be bike checking my 2021 Transition Sentinel XO1 build V2. As you can see, it's quite beautiful. Come here, Josh. Cheetah on the bike, you know why?
Why, Thomas?
It's fast. 63.6 degree head angle. Very slack. It's an absolute sled in a straight line. XO1, we're running DT Swiss XM 1700s and I upgraded from the 32 tooth ratchet to the 54 and it sounds like this. Now we'll talk about suspension. We're running Fox Factory up here, float extra on the back. If you want to see me put volume spacers in that shock, click up here, in that corner, there's going to be a link. And up front, run the Fox 3s. Just kidding. These are 36 at the front.
Whoa, that's an epic prank.
Here on the sunny coast of Australia, there's so much elevation change, I never use these, alright?
Except when you're at Sugar Bag.
Especially when I'm at Sugar Bag with like around 50 meters of elevation. I'll put the exact number up here for the exact elevation of these knees. Proto C brakes. Help me stop quick and do a stoppie. I'll give you a demo. Just a quick one. Assegai Maxxis on the front. They're just stock tires. And we've got a DHR2 at the back. Pretty classic combo for enduro racing and downhill. Mallet E clips. One up dropper. 210 millimeters, look at this. It's quite large, isn't it? Anvl seat. Transition's in-house brand. The bike's almost stock, but we still love it.
Thanks, Mr. Ford.
Anytime.